You can charge your phone 2 times less because it has many useless features enabled by default. Most people don't use or even know about these features, but they still run, drain your battery and slow down your phone as they run in the background. In this video, I'm going to show you what these features are and how to disable them to make your phone work faster and last longer on the single charge. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in.
Make your coffee and let's go.
And the first feature you should turn off is here. Head to main settings. After this, scroll down to Google and tap on that. Here tap All Services, scroll down and tap on Devices as Sharing. After this, tap on Devices. This feature, Scan for Nearby Devices, constantly scans the environment using Bluetooth to check if there are any devices nearby that you can connect to. It drains the battery a lot, and it's not necessary, because if you want to connect to another device, for instance to send a photo or video, you can simply turn on Bluetooth, find the device and connect, and there are no need for your phone to constantly check for nearby Bluetooth devices. So we turn off this feature. Our phone has one more of the same feature, but it's from the phone developers, not Google. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, tap back again, and tap back to the main settings. After this, scroll all the way up, and here tap on Search. To find and turn off this feature, we will use Search in the settings, because this feature can be located in different places on different phones. So in Search, type Nearby, and here you can find Nearby Device Scanning. Tap on that. After this, tap on Nearby Device Scanning again. And it says that your phone will scan for devices nearby and let you connect to them in a pop-up or in the notification panel. Your phone will scan the devices even when Bluetooth is turned off. As we see, this feature does the same as the previous one, so we turn off to avoid wasting the phone battery. Turn it off. Did you know that your phone is constantly looking for a printer to connect to? This is another useless feature that quickly drains the phone's battery and slows it down. To find this feature, head to main settings. So that everyone can find it on their own phone, we use Search in settings again. Tap on Search and now type Printing. Type Printing as I do. Here you can find Printing, tap on that. Tap on Printing again, and then tap on Default Print Services. As we see, your phone constantly searches for printers, so turn off this feature. Then, in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, tap back again, and back to the main page of settings. After this, scroll all the way down, and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After this, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on this icon. And as we see, this feature constantly monitors what we do on our phone, including how many times we use our phone per day. You can see this information here, and how much time we spent in each application. This information we can see here. And then you can look at the report about it. Most people don't use this feature. It turns out that this feature runs unnecessarily, slowing down our phone and drains the battery faster. So in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, tap back. Then in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on 3 dots. Tap on Settings. And here tap on Usage Data Access. Tap on that. After this, tap Settings and turn off the switch next to Allow Permission. After this, tap back again, and tap back to main page of settings. Scroll all the way up and tap on Search. In Search, type Notifications, as I do. Scroll a little bit down and tap on App Notifications. Tap on that. Tap on App Notifications again. Here we see a list of apps that can send us notifications, but we don't need all apps to send notifications because it drains the battery. It's worth searching this list and keeping only the apps from which we really want to receive notifications. For instance, do I need notifications from Galaxy Times? No, because I don't even use it. But do I need notifications, for example, from WhatsApp? Yes, because I won't know when someone messages me. And now, let's talk about the feature worth turning on to extend phone battery life as long as possible. Head to main settings on your phone. After this, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on Search and type in search battery. Type battery as I do and tap on battery. After this, tap on battery protection. Since keeping the phone battery at 100% for a long time harms it, for instance, when the phone is on charge for a long time, developers created a feature called battery protection to prevent this. If we turn on this feature, after this choose basic, then when we leave the phone on charge and it reaches 100%, charges will stop until the battery drops to 95%. Then it will start charging again, preventing harm from long charges. This is an especially useful feature for those who like to leave their phone on charge all night, so I recommend turn it on. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video and thank you for watching.